The next one is aggregate. You just see guys, later I will show you all. Location wise sum and average of incomes. Sum of average of income, count of employees. So take source, aggregate transform like this. Location group by income, sum, income, average, and income. This should be count. Change it here, count. COUNT, count. Guys, this is the input column. Input column means from the source, what kind of column is coming. On this column, this operation applied. Finally, these are the output column names. These are the output column names. Are you okay? Input column, operation applied, output column names are this. Next, how do you identify duplicates based on party ID column and moving into another destination? It's a wonderful solution. How do you identify duplicates? Sir, can you guys tell me how do you identify duplicates from this? Kortan patukoni yavar for distinct. Distinct means distinct values. My question is, how do you identify duplicates? Tell me 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4. Use distinct, what will you get? And what is my question? How contrast statement you are giving? I am asking, how do you identify duplicates? In this situation, 1, 2. But you are talking about 1, 2, 3, 4 result, unique values. Distinct, so don't take distinct. If you want to identify it, there is a process. The process is group it first. Group ID. So 1, 1 will come to one group, 2, 2 will come to one group, 3 come to one group, 4. Now count it. 2 count, 2 count, 1. Now wherever count more than 1, more than 1, more than 1, this is duplicate. So in SQL query, we write like this. Select PID. Very important. 2 things I'm covering. SQL duplicate identification as well as SSIS. 2 things. Single shot. From party, group by PID having count of star greater than 1. First grouping and finding count. If it is more than 1, duplicate. In many interviews asking how do you identify duplicates through SQL. This is a query. SQL query. And IS level you want to do, take one source. I'm just giving work only, party source. And then put aggregate transform, because aggregate can perform group operation. Which operation? Group. So PID, take group. And PID count, take count of PID. Count of. Now put this and use conditional split transform. Which transform? Conditional split. It will split based on the condition. Now write a condition here. PID CNT equal to 1. Equal to 1 is no duplicate. PID CNT greater than 1 equal to duplicate. So take 2 destinations, 1 for duplicate, 1 for no duplicate. So this is one destination, this is one destination. Understand? So SQL level we do like this, grouping and this. IS level aggregate and conditional split compulsory. So many interviews are asking nowadays for this process. Note on the same and the specified gap. There is a gap in the material, note on the same. Shall we? No. So some additional information about aggregate available. You can see this later. Or derived column. What is derived column? The name implying deriving columns. It will derive new from the existing. Derive new from the. See guys. This is your low-level design document. Which document? In the real time, you will get low-level design documents like this. Round market. Low-level design document. See the board. This is your target, guys. Listen and then we go. Target. This is target column. This is your source. Source column. And these are business logics. These kind of documents you will find in the real time to load the data. So source column, target column, and the logic. Source level, 2 columns, organization number. You need to concatenate with this and load to target this column. Source level, first name, middle name, last name you need to take and move into this. Source level, this one you need to take and move into this. This is not source level, hard code value. And party code, source level directly you are loading. And party income, directly you are loading. Party income increment, some operation you are doing and loading. So like this, you will get one low-level document to load the data. And the low-level document contains 3 things. First one, source and source structure. Target and target structure. Last one, source to target business rules. And this is what a low-level document contains. Are you able to understand? Unless you get a document like this, you can't implement the business logics easily. Not all. Shall we? So guys, how do we implement? We will see. But you practice at home. Take a derived column transform and implement all the logics. I'll show you how do we implement these logics now. So one by one transformation you need to practice. And what is the next one? Multicast. And there is an example here. See this first. I have a package 1, source, sort, target. Package 2, source, aggregate, target. Package 3, source, derived, target. So when you run all the 3 packages at once, what happens? When you run all 3 packages at once, what happens? A, 3 times reading, B, 3 times hit, more time in the traffic, more time in the traffic, and more burden on source. Correct? And you want to reduce this. You want to reduce this. Then go to source. Immediate to that, if you go to material, you will find a multicast transform. This transform. So multicast transform will reduce that. You run A, one time hit on source. One time hit on source. B, less network traffic. C, less network, one time hit on source, less burdens. Less. Last point. The Ssis memory